After 5 seconds, start a public interest litigation PIL petition has been filed before the Supreme Court in the wake of the recent stampede at the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj, seeking directions to put in place safety measures and guidelines for pilgrims from across the country. At least 30 people died and over 30 were injured in the stampede that broke out in the Sangam area of Mahakumbh in the morning of January 29. The PIL filed by Advocate Vishal Tiwari has sought directions to all states to their facilitation centers at Prayagraj to provide basic information regarding the safety measures and guidelines to the pilgrims. The plea has also prayed for arrangements to have announcements, display boards showing direction, roads, etc. in other languages so that people from other states do not face problems and can get help easily. All states government with coordination of Uttar Pradesh government shall also deploy its small medical team at Prayagraj Mahakumbh comprising of doctors and nurses so that at the time of medical emergency there may not be shortage of medical staff. The petitioner has prayed pertinently. The petitioner has also sought action against the authorities and official for their negligence which lead to the stampede. Direct the state of Uttar Pradesh to submit status report on Mahakumbh 2025 stampede incident that took place of January 29, 2025 and also direct to initiate legal action against the persons, authorities and official for their negligent conduct. It has been prayed. Do the courts require courage to grant bail to those behind bars, or is the Constitution sufficient to empower them to decide such cases? The Supreme Court on January 27 criticized the Allahabad High Court and a trial court for denying bail to an accused under the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Act. While it is not new for the country's top court to overturn and even century the courts below for arbitrator denying bail to accuse. The choice of words in Monday bail order is telling. We can understand that the trial court declined bail as trial courts seldom muster the courage of guaranteeing bail, be it any offences. However, at least it was expected of the High Court to muster the courage and exercise its discretion judiciously. The bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan remarked. The Oxford English Dictionary describes courage as the ability to do something dangerous or to face pain or opposition without showing fear. Judges often make it a point to state that they do not live in every towers away from those who lives they decide upon, but it is also known that unlike mere morals, they enjoy certain extra protections of law to enable them to work without fear and favor. Despite that, is it then to be presumed that the country judges are under some fear to require courage to perform their duty, and that adjudication of bail petitions has become a dangerous task in today's India? But what kind of fear could our judges he facing? The fear of being on the wrong side of the mighty state, given the central government's successful acts of stalling and preventing the appointments and elevations of many promising candidates in the judiciary. Who could blame our judges for playing it safe? Stop, stop.